Need to save some space on your A4 page, whether it's on screen or especially printed? Have you thought about changing the orientation of the titles? Because usually they're longer than, say, the numbers or maybe the text that you've got in the cell content. Select the cells and use this orientation button. Choose counterclockwise or angle clockwise. I prefer counterclockwise because I think it's easier to read. And you can see that while it will make it much deeper, so it'll increase the height of the row, it actually takes up a lot less space. I can shrink these down and you can see it takes a lot less space compared to the A, B and C columns on the screen. So that's a quick way to save some space, especially on a portrait page where you've got the length but not the width. Have fun, enjoy!